Greetings and welcome to One Sparkle Love Church. You find my YouTube channel at One Sparkle Love Church. My podcast is at One Sparkle Love Church. Each and every day is a blessing because we always get to choose the life we want to live. Every morning when I sit in a folding chair next to the door, I sprinkle a little baking soda in my shoes. No need to waste money on odor eaters, and no need to waste money on aerosols to kill odors, while it's also killing the ozone layer. Baking soda neutralizes. I have hundreds of mason jars. I purchased the biggest box of baking soda at the market. I put the baking soda in 5 mason jars and 1 small mason jar. I keep the small mason jar near my door. Baking soda neutralizes liquid. When you put baking soda in your shoes, it neutralizes the moisture from the bacteria growing in your shoes. Baking soda can also be sprinkled on your carpets to neutralize the bacteria growing in your carpet. Baking soda is also used to balance pH in swimming pools, also in water you drink. Basically, baking soda balances the alkaline in moisture, such as when your own pH balance is out of whack. Baking soda brings your pH balance back to normal. I am a metaphysician, and this is a non-drug prescription that I prescribed when I know that a person's pH balance is unbalanced. I totally love this job. And life is love, love is life. Blessing from Reverend Lewis, and thank you for your support. And this, my friends, is a 3-legged frog. Do you see how it's blown glass? Isn't that pretty? I got that when I went to visit a relative, me and my children, back when my son was, I don't know, maybe 5? It was a long time ago, and the boy is now 40. So I've had this guy for a really long time. I have his name wrote down, and it's over there on the list. So yeah, this is why I have 3-legged frog in feng shui facing east. So this is why it's for good luck. And thank you.